Hey guys, welcome back to another fun video. I know we got a lot of love when I tried to did a makeup on her. So we thought, and we did promise you that we'll try to come up with new ideas and do something new. So for the people who I never even used to eat without spoon. Okay?
Yeah.
So for the people like me, today she came up with a challenge that we're going to make the food that is the hardest to eat, like not bites.
Yeah.
So it's dal, rice.
It's actually proper Indian food.
Yes. And that is why, to give a traditional hit, we are eating in a thali and not some fancy flatware. So anyways, so we have our thalis here. It has dal rice, some salad, some
mixed veg
and everything, and we are gonna eat with in front of you. But what's the fun there? The fun is we are not gonna eat with a spoon.
Any spoon, like literally no spoon.
We are gonna
not even our hand, because Indians always use their hand to eat food, and we are not gonna use even our hands today. So, can you guess what we're using?
Just mouth.
Yep, we are just gonna eat.
So obviously, once we start eating, we are gonna put it on a little faster track so that you guys do not get bored, but also capture the moments that we will be cherishing in a bit. Yeah. So do you want to like mix your veggie in the rice, and because we are only gonna use the spoon this one time to mix whatever we wanna mix.
Yeah, and then,
otherwise we are not.
Yeah.
So to make it more fun, I'm not gonna mix anything.
Well, I'm just gonna mix like just a half portion. I'm gonna mix it with no, actually I'm not gonna mix anything.
Yep. So we are not gonna mix it. We have to use our mouth. So our spoons are away.
There's no spoon in this plate. You guys can see.
Yes. So there's nothing. And of course, when we'll be eating in front of you. So there's nothing.
And we'll tie my hair.
And we're not gonna use our hands. Our hands can be on the side. Our hands can be on the back. Whatever, wherever, however we are comfortable with. But we're not gonna use the hands. To either try to hold this.
Yeah.
So that's the rule, okay?
Okay.
If this is running away, like you have to like use your chin or something to bring it back here, okay? You cannot like just pull it back with your hand.
Yeah.
Now I'm literally starting to think that I took so much rice. I should have like taken this much.
And we're gonna finish the entire food in front of you guys, okay?
And so, this is actually like a mukbang for me. I don't eat this much.
Yeah.
So anyways, let's get this competition started. Ready?
Yeah, I'm actually ready. I'm so nervous. You already started. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. It's delicious.
And who's gonna finish first? That's the competition.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to finish first.
I cannot even reach my salad. I need to put my plate back. I cannot reach my salad. It's delicious.
Food is delicious, but I'm obviously gonna eat faster than you.
I don't know how I'm gonna eat my salad.
You just have to do like this. See? There you go. You got your salad near.
I'm just gonna eat my locket. I still can't reach my salad. I cannot reach my salad. How should I mix it? Look at your face.
We are gonna take a screenshot of the face.
Oh my god.
I don't know. You have put it on.
Even you. Look at my voice.
You guys cannot see him. He's right here.
I'm just sitting right here watching us. Like you guys are eating like me. Oh my god. my god. I will read.
I should not have put red chili in the salad because it's all around my face now.
Oh! Oh my god!
I've seen Marvel doing that with his tongue. Like he'll just take everything, mix it up.
I'm not using hands. Better.
No idea why I agreed. My nose, my mouth is burning. I can't even sniff in because there are rice on my nose which will just get inhaled. You already finished her veggies. Almost done.
Oh my god, you are fast now. Oh. Almost done.
I was almost gonna touch my plate.
I think I'm done.
Me too. I think we both are done.
Yeah.
And we let you guys judge, looking at the plates,
Who did better?
who did better. And let me show you the close-up.
Yeah.
Okay. This is me. A ball burger. Look at her face.
This is me. Oh.
It's hard to tell because of yellow rice.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
look at our faces. Okay. Mayank and Tanya. And when we edit the video, we also just write over there which one do you think who did better, basically. So we let you guys decide and let us know who won this no hand dal rice sabji eating challenge. And please do let us know if you enjoyed this video, because we have a lot more ideas and we'll try to always do something new with you guys. So do let us know how you like this video. And now we are burning, so we really need to go. And we'll see you in another fun video.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that everyone laughs watching our video. And yeah, you spread love.
We are sharing the best medicine, laughter.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.